Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace BMW X1 wiper blades. This is a straightforward maintenance task you can easily do yourself. You'll need a new set of front and rear wiper blades, which are readily available. Generally, no special tools are required, making this a simple process. Before you begin, always make sure your vehicle is safely parked and the engine is completely off for your safety. First, you need to put your wipers into service position. Turn on the ignition without starting the engine, then press the start-stop button twice. Push the wiper stalk upwards and hold it for a few seconds until the wipers stop vertically. Now, lift the wiper arm away from the windshield. Find the small release tab or two pressure points where the blade connects to the arm. Squeeze or press, then slide the old blade off. Now it's time to install your new blades. First, remove any plastic protective covers from the new wiper blade's rubber edge. Align the new blade with the wiper arm's attachment point. Slide it on until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Double-check that it feels firm. Once attached, carefully and gently lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the windshield glass. After installing both new blades, turn your ignition back on. Briefly push the wiper stalk down once, and the wiper arms will return to their normal parked position. Now, activate your windshield washer fluid and test the new blades. Ensure they clear the windshield smoothly and without streaks. For best visibility and safety, it's recommended to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months, depending on usage and climate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.